Imagine looking up at the night sky, seeing billions of stars, glowing galaxies, distant planets. But what if I told you that everything you can see makes up just 5% of the universe? The rest, 95%, is made of something we can see, touch, or detect directly, something invisible, silent, and everywhere. This is dark matter, the mysterious glue that holds the universe together. Today on Science Drags, we're diving into the shadows to uncover what dark matter is, why scientists believe it exists, and how it could shape the fate of everything. In the early 20th century, astronomers noticed something strange. Galaxies, those vast spirals of stars, were spinning way too fast. According to Newton's laws of gravity, they should flung apart like a merry-go-round going wild. But they didn't. They held together. Something was holding them, something massive, something invisible. This was the first clue. Later, scientists like Fritz Zwicky and Vera Rubin confirmed the weirdness. Galaxies weren't just made of stars and dust. There had to be an invisible force, an unseen mass, adding gravity to the system. Here's where things get wild. Dark matter is not a cloud of gas or hidden planets. It's not just black rocks floating in space. It doesn't emit light, reflect it, or absorb it. It's something completely different, something beyond the periodic table. So far, scientists believe dark matter has mass, it creates gravity, doesn't interact with electromagnetic forces, so we can't see it, doesn't collide or clump like normal matter. In short, it's like a ghost, a silent, invisible scaffolding on which the visible universe hangs. You might be thinking, if we can't see it, how do we know it's real? Great question. We know dark matter exists because of its effects, like a hidden hand moving things behind the curtain. 3 major pieces of evidence. Galaxy rotation curves, as we said. Galaxies spin too fast. The visible mass isn't enough to keep them together. Gravitational lensing. When light from distant galaxies bends around an invisible mass, it's like seeing the fingerprint of dark matter. Cosmic microwave background. That faint afterglow of the Big Bang. It shows ripples that only make sense if dark matter was present in the early universe. It's like hearing music from another room. You can't see the band, but you know they're there. Now let's go deeper. What is dark matter actually made of? Scientists have a few ideas. These are some of the leading candidates. WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. These are theoretical particles that barely interact with anything except gravity. If they exist, they could explain everything. Axions, ultralight particles that might behave more like waves than matter. Sterile neutrinos, a ghostly cousin of the neutrino, another nearly invisible particle. Then there's the wild stuff, like the idea that dark matter might exist in its own hidden dark sector, with its own particles, forces, and maybe even civilizations. Yep, you heard that right, dark aliens, but that's pure speculation, for now. Quick clarification, dark matter is not the same thing as dark energy. Dark matter pulls things together, it creates gravity, it forms galaxies. Dark energy, on the other hand, pushes things apart. It's the mysterious force driving the expansion of the universe faster and faster. They're 2 separate mysteries, and together, they make up about 95% of the universe. So yeah, we know almost nothing about almost everything. All around the world, scientists are hunting for dark matter. In deep underground labs like Xenont in Italy and Lux Zeppelin in South Dakota, they're trying to catch dark matter particles as they pass through Earth. At the Large Hadron Collider, physicists are smashing particles together at near light speed, hoping to create or detect dark matter. And in space, telescopes like Fermi are looking for gamma rays or particle signals that might hint at dark matter interactions. So far, still nothing conclusive, but the search continues, and it's one of the greatest quests in modern science. Why should you care about something you can't see? Because without dark matter, galaxies wouldn't exist. Stars wouldn't clump together. Planets wouldn't form. Life as we know it might be impossible. Dark matter shapes the large-scale structure of the cosmos. It's like the hidden bones of the universe, holding everything in place. And understanding it could unlock deeper truths about space, time, gravity, maybe even alternate dimensions. We live in a universe that is mostly invisible. Dark matter, silent, cold, unknown, surrounds us, moves through us, and binds the stars together. Maybe one day we'll finally see it. Maybe we'll touch it. Maybe we'll even harness it. But for now, it remains one of the greatest cosmic mysteries. Proof that the universe still holds secrets, waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to Science Drags and dive into the universe with new mind-blowing science every week.